Automotive manufacturing has progressed over the years. But in this new era, a rapid evolution is needed to meet escalating challenges. Transform your production facilities into smart factories with Siemens solutions for smart manufacturing. As an automaker, you must become more agile and resilient while accelerating innovation and managing increased complexity to ensure you meet all sustainability and regulatory targets faster than the competition. Connect manufacturing processes in a closed-loop simulation environment to increase factory automation, optimize processes and decrease cost. Transform your business with intelligent manufacturing using state-of-the-art hardware and software to modernize your production lines with autonomous, self-organizing operational environments with Siemens Smart Manufacturing. Siemens, where today meets tomorrow.